Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a truly wild thought experiment that sparks the imagination. Could Komodo dragons, those magnificent apex predators from Indonesia, actually survive and thrive in the vast, untamed landscapes of Australia? It's a question that sounds like something straight out of a blockbuster movie. But let's explore the fascinating realities of such a scenario. Komodo dragons are incredible creatures, the largest living lizards on Earth, reaching up to 10 feet long and weighing over 300 pounds. They're formidable hunters, equipped with razor-sharp teeth, powerful claws, and a venomous bite that can bring down prey much larger than themselves. Their native habitat consists of a few small Indonesian islands, where they rule supreme, feasting on deer, wild boar, and even water buffalo. Now, let's look at Australia. It's a continent renowned for its unique and often dangerous wildlife. From venomous snakes to saltwater crocodiles, Australia boasts diverse ecosystems, from arid deserts to lush rainforests, and it's home to an abundance of potential prey, like kangaroos, wallabies, and feral pigs. On the surface, it might seem like a perfect match, right? Hot climate, plenty of food, vast open spaces. However, the reality is far more complex. While parts of northern Australia share climatic similarities with the Komodo's native islands, the continent also presents significant challenges. For starters, Komodo dragons are highly specialized predators. They thrive in specific environments where they've evolved alongside their prey and competitors, introducing them to a new ecosystem, even one that seems superficially similar, could lead to unforeseen difficulties. One major hurdle would be competition. Australia already has its own formidable apex predators. Dingoes are highly intelligent pack hunters, and saltwater crocodiles are masters of their aquatic domains, while a Komodo dragon might hold its own against a dingo in a direct confrontation. The sustained competition for food and territory would be intense. Then there's the issue of disease. Animals introduced to new environments can be vulnerable to local pathogens they have no immunity against, or they could introduce new diseases that devastate native species. Furthermore, the Komodo's hunting style, often involving ambushing and then tracking venom-weakened prey, is highly effective in its current habitat. Would this strategy translate perfectly to the vast, open plains where kangaroos can outrun most predators, or the dense bush where smaller marsupials are incredibly agile? While they are adaptable, the sheer scale and variety of Australia's landscape might prove overwhelming. And let's not forget the ecological impact. If, by some extraordinary chance, Komodo dragons did manage to establish a breeding population, the consequences for Australia's unique native wildlife would be catastrophic. They would become an invasive species, potentially decimating populations of marsupials, birds, and other reptiles that have no natural defenses against such a powerful new predator. The delicate balance of Australia's ecosystems, which have evolved in isolation for millions of years, would be irrevocably disrupted. So, while the idea of Komodo dragons roaming the Australian outback is undeniably thrilling to imagine, the scientific and ecological consensus points to a very difficult, if not impossible, scenario for their long-term survival and establishment. And even if they could, the environmental cost would be immense. It's a powerful reminder of how finely tuned our natural world is, and why protecting native species and their habitats is so incredibly important. Thank you so much for joining me on this fascinating journey into the hypothetical. I hope this exploration has given you a new appreciation for the intricate balance of nature. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more intriguing discussions about the natural world. We'll see you next time.